Hi, in this tutorial I show you how to store your building data. Go to content browser and create a folder labeled building data and right click and go to miscellaneous and select data assets and search for PCC building. Select this and name it my building data. Open it. The first tab you will see is labeled algorithm span distribution. That is where you set this chance for each algorithm to be picked. For example, you can have is 1% of chance for plot to spawn to use PBC based, edge based, area based, and so on. The next tab is static building. That is where you set your building mesh to be stored. So select the plot and go to general tab. So I go to spawning tab and right click and set copy and pass it here. Same thing for static building global spacing. Copy it and set it to building global spacing here. Now if you have building material going on, you come here and right click and copy it and paste it here. Same thing for deco mesh. If you are building deco mesh, you copy it and paste it here too. Now for the grid based thing, you can set if you want to use a grid size and use a custom grid size. For the leftover space ratio distribution, let me show you something. If I select a plot and I go to general tab and you can see there is an attribute called leftover space ratio. What this attribute does is that it will shrink the space available for the plot to spawn a building or other props. So let's for example set it to 0.1. You can see that it removed some space and it pushed the building toward the center of the plot. Basically, the leftover space ratio represents the leftover space to left for the building to not occupy. So you can set the distribution here. You can set it the ratio to be used and the chance for this ratio to be picked. Now in the next tutorial I will show you how to design the procedural building size.